I recently completed my Hogan assessment. I also recently completed my Berkman assessment. I learned a few things about myself, how I operate, how I show up, what I seem like to my colleagues, and also what are my needs that they don't know about how I show up. Some things that I learned: I'm a communicator. If you can't tell, I like to talk. But I also learned that I like to think and have time to process. If people saw me, they would expect Dave can move real quick, he can make really clear decisions, but I actually need some time to process things before I have a chance to really be clear about what I'm saying. So we can learn all of these things about each other. There's those hidden things we can learn about each other, about how we can support our colleagues in those moments to show up as their best, that quiet person that takes an overnight to really be clear about what their ideas are, how do we bring them out in meetings, but also how do we validate what we see as real in our work, what our priorities are, our challenges are, because how I see the world isn't how everybody else sees the world. So how do I check in with people across the aisle who see things differently than me? Because that thought partnership will allow us both to be better. If I only go to the people that think just like me, we're only going to do the same things all the time and never really innovate. So we need to challenge each other to learn who we are in our offices and then find out how can we better support each other.